Hey everybody, my name is Kincade and I will be entering Cameron Niemela's 2022 Broke to Build Bike Build Contest. We have Cameron's video right here. The current date is Friday, December 10th. This year I will be entering a 2003 Suzuki RM125, and what you're seeing right now is exactly the way I bought the bike. I bought this for $1,000 from a 13-year-old kid who tore it down with hopes to rebuild it and got in over his head and decided to sell the entire project. We definitely have our hands full. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll have to go through and see what's missing. The biggest concerning factor that I didn't notice when I bought the bike is that the crankcase has a ton of JB Weld caked over the bottom of it. But this is my starting point. We'll see what we can turn this thing into. Good luck to everyone else entering the contest. Super stoked to see all the awesome bikes that come as a result of this. Thanks to Cameron for putting this on, and thanks to all the great judges and sponsors for being a part of it as well. Really looking forward to this year's contest.